Hello everyone, this is Jodisman and you are watching Tech Trox YouTube channel. So in this video, I will be showing you a tutorial on how you can make your photos look more awesome with some simple 8 steps edit in Adobe Photoshop. And make sure download the Photoshop plugins to the links in my video description, which I will be using in this tutorial video. So without wasting more time, let's begin. So in my video I am using Adobe Photoshop CC 2018. So if you want to download this software, then you can go to my video description and click on the given link and you can download the software from their official website. And if you want to see how you can use Adobe Photoshop CC completely free without any fake license, then click on the link given below, or you can click on the card given above. So first things first, we want to take this photo. So let me show you the photo first. So this is the photo, and a big shout out to this person, Pratyush, my friend. So we're gonna take this photo to the software. Then at first we'll make a copy of the background layer, and then we will go to filter and camera raw filter. Here we'll play with the colors. We'll change the colors, which will in turn edit the photo in a very beautiful way. So after my camera raw filter opens, I will just increase the temperature a little, let's say +2, and we will increase the tint also to around +3, and we're gonna go and decrease the exposure to around -0.05. It's your wish, you can increase the exposure also, but I will decrease the exposure to -0.05 because I want this photo to look a little blackish. Next we'll increase the contrast to around 30, and we will decrease the highlights because it will make the photo a little blackish in color. We will decrease the highlights to -10, and we'll decrease the shadows to around -10 over there. Let's hit it with the keyboard. Then we will increase the black, I will decrease the blacks to a little around -5, let's say -5. Okay, then we will increase the clarity to around 10, and we will increase the DH to around +5. we will increase the vibrance to around +5, let's say +10. we will increase the saturation to around +4 or 5. Then we're gonna go to the curves, the tone curve, and we hit this RGB, and we will put 3 dots over the curve, and we will decrease this. That will make the photo a little blackish in color. We will degrade these two, and we'll increase this portion of the curve, and we'll decrease this highlight portion. Let me put the middle one downwards, and we'll make this normal, and we'll bring it down over there, and we're gonna change it to blue because I want my photo to look a little bluish in color. It's your wish, you may change it to red or green also, but I will choose blue, and I will put 2 dots, one there and one there. I will increase just a little, so you can notice that there's a little blue fragments, a little blue portions over there. Now we will also decrease this highlight, and we'll go again to RGB, and we'll move to the details section where we will increase the sharpening to around +20, and we will increase the luminance, that's the noise reduction, to around +8, and we're gonna go to HSL adjustments, and we will move to saturation, and we'll not do anything with the red color. We will increase the orange color, that's the facial, to +3. We'll increase the yellow not a little, to around 40, let's say 40, and we'll increase the greens to 42. We'll also increase the orange a little to around, say, +10, and we'll increase the blue, we'll decrease the blue to around -25. We will increase the purples to around +25, because the color of the shirt are purple and blue color. Let me hit it with the keyboard. Then we go to luminance and we will change only the colors which we have changed in the saturation tab. So we want to go to the we will increase the orange to +2 because I don't want so much of noise reduction in the face, and we'll increase the yellow. We'll decrease the yellow color. We'll decrease the green color. So we'll go and decrease the blue also. So let me go with the blue also. Let's -5. And what we're gonna do is in split toning we will increase the saturation a little, say +2. So this is the result. Then we wanna hit OK. So once my camera raw filter processing is done, you can notice the changes in the colors and in the photo backgrounds. So let me show you. This was the original pic, and after changing the colors, there is now. You can see the huge difference over the photo. Now what we want to do is we will take the spot healing brush tool. We'll zoom in a little, and we will delete the unnecessary spots in the face as well as the neck portion. Make sure you don't put more the spotting brush tool because it may disgrace the face. Now looks like this guy don't have any other spots in the face. So what you want to do is we will again go to the normal size, and now we will go to this button, this option over there, and we'll select the selective color, and we'll change it to black, and we'll just increase it to around +2. And what we're gonna do is we'll click this one and the background copy, and we'll right click on this portion and we'll merge the layers. So this merges the both layers. So now next what we're gonna do is we'll go to filter. We'll go to filter, we'll go to Nick collection. Now for those who don't have this Nick collection, or commonly known as Color Effects Pro, those who don't have this software, I will put a download link in my video description. It's because this software is also a paid software, but I'm using it for free because I have the cracked version of this software. I'm putting the download link for the cracked version in my video description, from where you can download this software and use it for completely free without any fake license. I mean, you don't need to register also, it's completely free. Now what we're gonna do is we'll go to Viveza 2, and after my Viveza 2 opens, we'll add control points, one there, and we'll increase the size of this, and we'll decrease these portions, and we'll hit another point and we'll decrease these portions too. We'll hit another point over there and we will decrease these portions too, and I will increase the circle over there because this is a huge area. Now we will hit another point over there and we'll decrease the brightness like the earlier one, and we'll go at the top also, we'll decrease, and we will change the color of the hair also by just decreasing it. Okay, now we will go to this portion and reduce the circle size, because this portion is a black in color and I will make it wider. We'll go for +2, around +3. okay, that's good. Now we will go at this portion also and a little blackish. After I've done this, hit the OK button. So once my Viveza 2 processing is also done, we can notice the changes from the last camera raw filter to now. So what we're gonna do is we will again click on this both and we'll right click over there and merge both the layers. Now what we're gonna do is we'll again go to this option over there and we'll hit the color lookup button and we will choose our favorite. These are free styles or scenes. I will choose this. I guess this will look good. Yes, now what we're gonna do is you can see this is more than we expected, so we will just decrease the opacity to around let's say plus 20, plus 25. Now we will again merge these both layers by right clicking on them and selecting these merge layer options. Now we will again hit this option and we'll go to gradient map. We will select the fifth from the first, and when we will hit OK, we will change it from normal to screen, and we will again bring the opacity down to plus 20. Now again we will merge these both layers over there. Now what you want to do is we'll go to the dots tool, we'll select it, and we will go, we'll zoom in a little, and we will rub on the eyes, the white portions, and the main eyeball. So you can see that the eyes have a little sharpening now. So next what you want to do is you go to the burn tool, and we will increase the size of the circle, and we will burn the extra portions over there. You can see the portions where I am using this burn tool are getting a little blackish in color, so that's the thing. After it is done, we will go to filter for the last thing, and we will go to camera raw filter again. We want to head to the effects tab, and we will put some grains. Now what I mean by grains is that you may have seen professional photographers and models using this sort of things. We'll increase the amount of grains to around 50. Now you can see some tiny dots over there. Actually this may look a little dull. You may think that this will make the photo look dull, but actually when you upload this photo, or after you save this photo, it looks way awesome than the normal one. So what we're gonna do is we will decrease the amount to around 40, and we'll keep the size 25 and roughness 50, and we will hit OK. Now thus we have completed the edit of this photo. You can see the difference of the original photo and the edited one. This was the photo when we first imported it, and after we have done the editing, this is the outcome. Isn't it cool? So that's all in this video. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, then please hit the like button and do share the video to help others also. And if you got any questions regarding the video, then don't hesitate to ask it in the comment section below. Also, I would love to see feedbacks from you in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then do hit that bloody red subscribe button. This is Jorisman signing off. Thank you. Peace out.